Good morning guys, in front of me is Lenovo Tab Extreme, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage. First of all, open the settings, then find and select notifications and control center, and here go to custom status bar. Click on enable custom. Here you will notice battery, so make sure that this indicator is active. As you can see now, you've got the battery icon here, and when you go back you will be able to manage the percentage. Just click on show battery power meter, and as you can see from now on you can see the particular level of your battery in your status bar. Obviously, to hide it, do exactly the same trick. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.